Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by selecting the folder and confirming its exact path so you don't lock the wrong files. Once done, make a full backup to an external drive or cloud to recover if needed. Next, choose a protection strategy. Set read-only attributes for basic prevention, use built-in encryption for confidentiality, or apply NTFS permissions to restrict access. I'll walk you through each option so you can apply the right combination for your needs. You now modify the folder's security settings to block copying by unauthorized accounts. First, open Properties right arrow Security, remove Inheritance, and explicitly deny or allow read/write for specific users. This prevents casual copying. Then apply encryption. Use Windows EFS or BitLocker for drives, or a trusted AES 256 tool for folder-level protection. Encryption ensures files cannot be opened if copied. You finish by testing protections. Log in as an alternate user and attempt to copy. Verify failure and that authorized users retain access. Once satisfied, securely store recovery keys and your backup so you can restore if something goes wrong. If you lose access or copying still works, check effective permissions, group policy overrides, or corrupted encryption keys. Reapply settings or restore from backup. Keep one administrative account with documented recovery steps to avoid permanent lockout.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.